Welcome to the Hive at Curtin University for the launch of the OldPerth project website. The OldPerth website allows users to easily browse over 10,000 images from the collection of the State Library of Western Australia. The key advantage of this site is that users can quickly find images based on their geolocation. After I give you a quick introduction to the OldPerth website, I'll introduce you to Susan McEwen, Director of Collection Services at the State Library, who will say a few words. The first thing you'll see when visiting the OldPerth website is a map of Perth. Imagine, for instance, you're looking for images of Government House. All you have to do is pan and zoom to the location of Government House, click on the blue dot, and in this instance, hundreds of images will be displayed. These images range from the construction of Government House in the 1860s, to images of visitors and events at Government House in the early 1900s. And scrolling down to more modern views. The images are sorted by year to make it easy to navigate through time. Let's have a look at another location, this time the southwest corner of Barrack Street and St George's Terrace. We can pan and zoom to that location and click the blue dot. This brings up images from that address. Here we can see the Coles building, which would eventually become the National Bank of Australasia, and behind it the United Service Tavern in 1861. These buildings were eventually replaced by the TNG building or Moyers Chambers in 1897. One of the useful features of the OldPerth site is that all images link back to the State Library of Western Australia, where in many instances there are high resolution images available. With this particular image we can zoom in to find details in the building. This particular building had a lot of intricate details and wonderful architectural features. Zooming up a bit we can see the imprint of the construction date, 1897. And looking further up, we can see this amazing tower at the front of the building as well. Returning to the OldPerth website, we can see that this building was replaced in the 1960s by another building. In some locations, the OldPerth website allows users to see that the same lot has been used up to 4 different times over the years. Lastly, I'd like to show you one more feature. If we click on the Locate an Image button in the top left of screen, the site shows you a selection of images that have not been geolocated as yet. This is your chance to participate in the OldPerth project. If you recognise the location of an image, you can press this button, Lodge Image Correction, to let us know the address. You can also lodge a correction if you notice an image has been mapped to the wrong location. We hope you'll enjoy the OldPerth website and explore lots of images and locations across Perth. The State Library and the Hive have been collaborating for the past 6 years on heritage visualisation projects. We launched our first joint project back in 2016, the Historical Panoramas project, and since that time there have been over 400,000 page views and 22,000 users. We value the collaboration with the State Library and look forward to this new project, the OldPerth website, also having a major impact in the community and feeding other opportunities. Now I'd like to pass you to Susan McEwen, Director of Collection Services at the State Library of Western Australia.
Thank you, Andrew. Here at the State Library, we're very pleased to see our photographic collections being made available in new and innovative ways, and it's been wonderful to collaborate with the Curtin University HIVE on this project. The OldPerth website will take you on a great journey of discovery, and you'll learn and see things about Perth that you didn't know before. In addition to the website, the State Library's education team has prepared some curriculum-linked lesson plans for years 5 and 8 so that teachers can use OldPerth in the classroom so that students can learn more about the history of this great city. The OldPerth website is now available for you to explore at oldperth.org.au. Thank you.